Inshallah, in this video, I will explain how to track email link clicks with GA4 and GTM. If we select our website email and inspect, we will see that the email link starts with mailto and clone. So what we will do here is basically to send an event to GA4. Navigate to Google Tag Manager and create a trigger. New trigger configuration and select just link. Then select some link clicks and select variable. For this, click on plus icon and select click URL. Then contain start with and value should be mailto. Again select click URL. Then let's the trigger name. Then click on save. Now let's we create a tag. New tag configuration, Google Analytics GA4 event, and paste here GA4 measurement ID, and here event name. The event name must be following Google recommended event format, should be lowercase and using underscore. Then event parameter, add parameter. One of our event parameter should be click URL, must be following event name parameter, and click on add parameter. Our another parameter should be click text and select values. For click link parameter, values should be click URL, and for click text, values should be click text. Then triggering, select GA4 email link click trigger that we created for email link. Then let's name the tag. Then click on save. Now it's time to test, is this working properly? Go to preview. Make sure here your website URL and connect. Click on mail and back to tag assistant. Then continue. We see here link click. So click on link click, and here GA4 email link click tag fired. Go to variable and see here as a click text our mail and click URL our mail with mailto. Now go to GA4 admin, data display, then DebugView. Also here mailto link parameter, click here and here click link and click text. Now everything is okay what we expect. So back to Google Tag Manager and submit, publish, continue. That's it.